Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text orientation in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com, and then you can log into your WordPress account, and this is the interface you're going to see. Over here on the right hand side, you can see the quick links option, and right below it is the edit site option. Click on the edit site option and it will take you to the editor's page of WordPress. After you have reached the editor's page of WordPress, as you can see over here, this is the editor's page of WordPress, and here we are gonna go and select the text we want to edit our orientation to, like this one. We are just gonna select the text, and here on the right hand side we can see an option called typography, and here's a three dot option. It will drop down a menu over here, and you will see an orientation option over here, and then you can actually add borders or get all advanced options from here and everything, and you can actually change the orientation of that image you have selected. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.